tell you.
What?
Hey.
You can tell me what?
Goldilocks story.
Yeah. Yeah, tell me the Goldilocks story.
Okay.
Okay, what is it?
It was 3 bears.
Okay.
The Papa Bear and the Mama Bear and the Baby Bear.
Oh, I never heard that one.
And there says, what? Oh no, we don't got any strawberries. Milk. And they go to the store. And the Goldilocks says, oh, it's cold. And she tried the other one. And she says, oh, it's hot. And she tried the other one. And she says, it's yummy. So she's eaten it all. And she's broke the chair. And she was reading the story. And she says, oh, I need to go sleep. Like that. The end.
Okay.